is Kashishri. I am 8th class from ZPH School, Gulapalli. My project name is IR sensor based on street lights. Components: IR sensor, Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper cables, 6 LEDs. Street lights are crucial components of urban infrastructure, enhance safety, visibilities, and aesthetics in public space. The evolution of street lighting has undergone significant transformations for the early use of open flames and oil lamps to modern electric lighting system. The introduction of energy efficient technologies such as LED lights has revolutionized urban lighting, offering reduced energy consumption, longevity, and improved light quality. My friend will be continued.
Hi, my name is Mahanasi Chandra. I am studying 8th standard in ZPH School, Gulapalli. In conclusion, street lights are indispensable for urban areas, ensuring safety, visibility, and the effective functioning of public spaces. As cities continue to grow, the integration of modern technologies, including energy effective lighting and smart system, plays a role in enhancing urban living conditions while promoting sustainability.
Thanks. Finally, we can check it. Thank you.